The first question is from Rukkaya Yusuf, who is asking if Pooja and Elizabeth are long lost friends. Can that be the reason for her to communicate with you guys?
Yeah, ये question I think live stream में
Yeah.
भी reply किया था, but a lot of people are asking it. Even on Instagram, so many people asked. So इसलिए हमने ये separately लिया है question. जिन लोगों ने हमारा वो कौन सा podcast था, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा नाम. एक पिछला हमारा पुराना podcast है where I mentioned about me seeing a lifetime as a witch. But I had that awareness कि एक lifetime नहीं है. There have multiple lifetimes where I have lived as a witch. A good witch.
I think our past life stories ऐसा ही वही वाला
उसमें
podcast
था,
है.
you sure?
हाँ, I think.
अच्छा, याद नहीं आ रहा. But you go check out our previous ones, तो उसमें आ जाएगा. But अगर मैं बहुत briefly बताऊं, तो yes, I saw my past life as a witch, but it didn't start there. The start was me having an extreme fear of facing camera. That is where it started. So I have these certain fears. We all have phobias and fears. So मैंने ना उनको literally ऐसे list किया हुआ है, जिसमें छिपकली का fear last में है. I have not addressed that yet. So camera was something that was there which I wanted to address, क्योंकि camera जब सामने आता था, camera roll होता था और मैं freeze हो जाती थी. Camera and speaking in front of people both used to freeze me. And मतलब यहाँ तक कि मैंने ये शायद mention किया in the podcast कि जब मैं 10th standard में थी, my teachers and my friends wanted me to stand for the head girl. लेकिन वो मैंने head girl के लिए नहीं मैं खड़ी हुई because I would have had to speak on stage. So वो डर की वजह से I didn't stand for the head girl of the school. बहुत पुराना fear है ये. And I remember being interviewed for the first time for pairs and I froze. I could not speak a word. वो interview हुआ ही नहीं because I froze. So this guy, Sarvajit, is the guy who pushed me literally. तो मैं मतलब सारा credit उसको दूंगी to face the camera, to slowly remove my fear. But still जब मैं ये कर रही थी ना, I was working on this phobia and this fear. There was still some missing link. I was like, ये आ क्यों रहा है? I need to know ये आ कहाँ से रहा है? This is very unusual because ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है मेरी life में that would make me just fear camera or people. So that is when मुझे पता चला during a regression, I have lived as a witch and I had lost my life. Of course, I was killed after people came to know about the whatever powers, healing or whatever abilities I had. So that stayed in my subconscious कि जब तक मैं लोग मेरे बारे में जानते नहीं थे मैं जिंदा थी और जैसे ही लोगों को मेरे बारे में पता चल गया या एबिलिटीज के बारे में पता चल गया और अदर they were exposed, I lost my life. So that is why the fear of coming in public, facing people or camera, this is where it was coming from. So now that life as the witch, which, I got to know about, somewhere again probably pulled us to that proper, to UK. And I had no clue about it. जब हम ancient Ramin में घुसे, witch work की feeling आई, दो witches, अच्छी witch, बुरी witch, वो सब feeling वगैरह आई. Till then, I just felt very overwhelmed, the connect, and I was like, हो सकता है the overwhelming feeling is because of the new place, the energies, and a lot of things. But जब communication शुरू हुआ, जब Elizabeth started coming in, I just felt that feeling of safety. I'd never felt threatened by that presence, and I was like, ये बुरी नहीं हो सकती. Anyways, वो investigation आप लोगों ने देखा, सब हुआ. But then when I was seeing the edit part, वो किसने edit वगैरह खत्म कर दिया था, so I was seeing the first edit before it gets public. उस टाइम पे जब वो एस्टेस हो रहा था, जब ये एस्टेस पे था, एंड व्हेन द वर्ड्स केम आई मिस यू, दैट इज व्हेन समथिंग जस्ट हिट मी सो हार्ड दैट आई स्टॉप्ड द वीडियो एंड I literally had tears in my eyes. I'll be very honest here. I had tears in my eyes and I was like, this was probably for me. Because probably she recognized me, but I was in so much and overwhelmed there कि investigation करना है, stress करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, कि मैंने वो part consider ही नहीं किया. And yes, so probably Elizabeth was connected to me, and that is why she said, I miss you. And I myself feel that very deep connect to Elizabeth, which will definitely want me to go back to the ancient.
Yeah.